Hey there, Jasmine Noronha here from Royal Beach Signature Realty. Just wanted to share a tip. Not real estate this time, but on cars. I'm no expert, but with the help of my husband, I learned something. Yesterday our car refused to start and we realized the battery was down. Thank God we had a jump starter. And this is my jump starter kit from DeWalt. There are many other brands in the market. You shop for what based on the size of your car. And these two are the clamps that do the wonder. This video I have put together especially for women drivers out there. My dad always told me one thing. When you use a machinery, you always should know a little bit about the troubleshooting. So anyways, the next step is you open the bonnet of your car and locate the battery. Now you're going to take these two clamps. The first you take the red clamp and attach it to the positive side of the battery, and then take the black clamp and attach it to the negative point of the battery. Be cautious, see that both these clamps don't touch each other. Give about 30 seconds and then start your car. Your car battery will revive and the engine will start. We drove to the dealership once the battery started and we got it fixed. 2 weeks ago I had another issue and I found another trick to overcome that. Follow me. I will be posting it shortly. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this channel I not only give whatever obstacles that I come in life, I share it with you guys, and also timely I share some real estate information for the GTA. So stay tuned guys. Bye for now. Ciao.